Hey everyone, this is Said with Allintitle.co. Today I'm going to present you our new addition to the Allintitle family. That's going to be the free keyword finder, our free keyword finder tool. That's going to help you to find thousands of long tail keywords for any seed keywords that you give it. And no account need to be created for this tool, so you just simply need to come to the allintitle.co and then navigate to the tools, free keyword finder, and then you need to click on launch free keyword explorer. After clicking on this link, you will land on the page from where you can start your search. So you scroll down here, you click on, you solve this captcha. Let me just dismiss this. You solve the captcha, and then you're gonna input your keyword here. So I'm gonna search for gaming laptop. And of course you can select your language and country from these two sections that we have here, and then you have to click on find keyword. Then you will land on the result page. As you can see, this is a real-time keyword research tool. So basically it is trying to fetch keywords from different real-time sources at the time that you are doing the search. So it takes some time, but it inform you what it is working on. So for example, right now it says working on the alphabetical keywords. Now it says displaying SERP overview table. That means that the SERP overview table has been completed and you can see it. If you scroll down, you're gonna see, you're gonna have a look of the things that the tool is loading and working on, but here you always are gonna be presented with what the tool is working on at the time that that you are searching this. So it means that it's a real-time update. That you see all the real-time update that it gives you notices here. So SERP overview is an overview of this overview of everything that have been found on the first page of Google results for that specific gaming laptop term, and then you have the ability to expand this and export it. Every section that you see here, you can do this on it. And then for this specific section, SERP overview, you see the analysis for the 10 lists or the 10 links that we have found in the first page of Google. As you can see now, it says Google Ads data fetching completed. That means if you come down here on the Google Ads keywords, you can see the Google Ads keywords that is 2,800, and this section is populated as well. So SERP overview, I was talking about the different like metrics that we give, like domain authority, page authority, citation flow, trust flow, link, number of the link, and etc. And also you can see if the keyword has been used in the title or description or URL. If you see a check mark, green one, that means the exact keyword has been used in the title. Like gaming laptop has been used in the title of Best Buy here, and it has been used on the description. We don't show the description here, but it has been used at the time that we have. If you like come here and stay here, you can see the I think no, we don't show it, but it has been also used in the URL. But if you see a check mark that is not green, that means gaming laptop has been used in the title, but not in the order that you have put it here. It's not like gaming laptop. It's not like it said laptop computers for PC and gaming. It's not gaming laptop one after another. So again, you are being informed about what the tool is working on, and if you come down, you see that more sections are populated with the information. So like right now, it has obtained the LSI keywords that you can see on this table, and also being as keywords has been here. You have the information for all the tabs. You have the search volume, competition, CPC. You have for like for being as, you have impressions, broad impressions, and search volume. You have to select the keywords and check their search volume like that. But the basically for the first tab we give you the search volume, but for the rest of the tabs you have to select them and check the search volume using our bulk check widget that you see here. But we give you like the sources. For example, related keyword, related question phrases, we give you the sources, we give you everything, we give you lexical keyword clustering, you can get the entity clustering. It says keyword data retrieval is in progress. You cannot do it when we are still fetching keywords. And now it says was stats related completed. That means we are all done. So this is like a lexical clustering. based on the words, exact words that has been used in the keywords, we cluster the keywords for you. You can expand this to have a better view, and then you can see, for example, all the keywords that have gaming. Under that is other keywords and subclusters that you can expand, or you can just collapse. And you can do the same thing. You can get the lexical clustering by clicking on entity-based entity-based clustering does the same thing, but it also give you the entities and cluster and use the entities to also cluster the keywords. And you also have this chart that you see here, kind of like diagram to trying to visualize to the keywords that have been found on the related questions based on the question word that has been used in them. So you can click on each question term to filter out the visualization to show only the keywords with that question term in them. Another thing is that the difference between related question phrases and related keywords is that so basically you can add filter. For example, if you come to the related keywords, you can add a source, a filter source, and then you can, for example, select any source that you can select eBay. So that means all the keywords that have been found from eBay source. And then you can also do the same thing. You can click TikTok. You see that we have a lot of sources. We use a lot of sources to give you the list of the keywords that you see here. And then so you can add different other different kind of filters. You can add, for example, included terms, and then you can type in any word that you want to see, and you can also add more than one word, and also select the or and conditions. Like you can see all the keywords that have best in them, and then you can just apply, and now all the keywords that have been best and are, for example, from one specific source can be seen. So eBay doesn't have any keyword. Like we couldn't find any keywords on the eBay that has best in them, but you can, for example, do it with the Best Buy. You see 3 keywords on Best Buy as a source with the best in them, and you can also save this as a preset. And you can add more filters. And let's go to the LSI tab. This also shows the number of this, and you see this is basically the number of keywords that we found for all the sources. We found 5,800 keywords, and then you see a breakdown of all these keywords in different categories. And these are the numbers for number of keywords that you can see under each of these tabs, basically. So for alphabetical keywords, you can also click on load more keywords to get more alphabetical terms. And we have also the filter. You can filter based on the alphabet, and you can see the source. And let's go to the Bing ads. Let's go to related keywords. Let's go to the related question and phrases, and then click source. And for example, you can select Wikiha as a source, and then all the keywords filter. I filtered it for Wikia, and so now all the keywords here, 6 pages, 10 keyword page, are the keywords that we have found on Wikiha. And if you see search volume is saying NA, that means that we didn't. It doesn't mean that it doesn't have any search volume. It means that we didn't retrieve search volume for these keywords. So basically, we only give the search volume for the first tab, for the second, and other tabs. If you want search volume, you have to select them, and you have to click on get search volume here, and then you have to select your country and the country for search volume, and also the language, and then click on yes. So but this feature is is a pro feature, so you basically need to have an account to be able to perform this task. And Google Ads keywords also, and you see for all the tabs, for all the keywords that we have in different tabs, you see that we have these circles that's showing the showing the search intent. Like for example, this is best gaming laptop under 1,000 is of commercial intent, and this one is commercial, transactional, and you can also filter based on the search engine. So if I come here and click search engine and then see some navigational search, you see that they have the brand name in them. So these are all navigational. So this is very accurate, the kind of search engine that we give. And if you go to the LSI keywords, I have to also explain this. So these are basically the number of keywords that we found based on the words that have been frequently used on the top pages on Google search results. So the occurrence says that how many times that specific keyword have been found among different documents on first page of Google, and the number of words is how many words that has. Like this one, like for example, has 4 words in that, so you can sort this based on the number of words or based on the occurrence. And you can also add filters for occurrence. So for example, you can say so you know that the more that keyword has happened in different documents, then it means that documents don't mean a web page on the first page of Google. It means that keyword is more more relevant to the topic that you have searched. So for example, you can set a minimum for that. So for example, you can say I don't want to see any keyword that has less than 20 occurrence. So now all the keywords that you see are really highly relevant. You see all of them are really the words that have been used, performance, and also a lot of them are like core and Nevada, or I don't know if I'm spelling Nvidia, or I don't know what that is. I know it's a graphic kind of card, but I don't know if I'm spelling it correctly. But anyway, this is how you can use our filters for the LSI tab. So again, you have the lexical clustering. For entity-based clustering, you have to you see this notice, but you see I'm on a free plan. This is a free plan, and I still can conduct this because we wanted you guys to be able to use this feature even in our free plan. If you click on continue, it's gonna take 1 or 2 minutes because now we have also a lot of keywords here, around 5,800, but it's trying to fetch all the entities for these keywords, and then it will cluster the keywords based on the entities. So it's gonna take around 1-2 minutes to display the lexical clusterings. So I think I didn't explain what we have here. So this is like keyword difficulty for this keyword is super difficult. You can confirm this by looking at the step overview, like the site that you see here, Best Buy, Walmart, and PC Mag, and the Amazon, and all of these sites that are super strong websites. So this keyword, making this keyword really difficult to go after, because you have to compete with these super strong websites. And then keyword popularity that you see here, it shows that this keyword is very popular. That means that comes from the number of the keywords that we found, related keywords or question we found for this specific keyword. It means that we compared this keyword with all the keywords, other keywords that we have on our database for this language, and comparing to that those keywords, this keyword is generating a high number of results. This is the simple way to put it, but it's not that simple. We have a formula that we use it for that purpose, but simply it means that we compare it with all the keywords that we have in the database for the different search terms, and we comparing them, and then we can come up with a popularity score that we show you here. So this is pretty much everything. Let's wait for the clustering. Yes, clustering is completed. Entity clustering is completed, and now you see that the keywords have been also clustered based on the entities. So for the laptop, it says that this is consumer good. You can click on them, sub entities. You can click on each sub entity to just expand it, and then you see everything that is under this is also consumer good. And because a lot of keywords have been found, you see a lot of entities type here, and not the type but entities that we have found. So you can get you can export, get an overview of this by exporting this, and also you can export the you can export everything that you see here on the Google on the ads. Even with the free version, you can export them, and you can export the SERP overview. You can export the keywords that you see here, export the lexical entity cluster, and you can export also this diagram that you have here. This was pretty much everything. I hope that you find our free keyword finder useful. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye.